How to fix YouTube sound not playing on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you can easily fix if your YouTube sound is not playing on your Android device. Let's just dive right in. First thing you need to do is check your volume and silent mode. For that, you can go over to settings and then find sounds and vibration. There, you need to make sure that you are not on mute or vibrate. Make sure your sound is turned on. So just tap and select sound, go to volume, and make sure your media volume is turned up all the way, because this determines what you hear on YouTube. So if your media volume is not turned up all the way, you can just go ahead and turn it up just like this. Once that is done, you can also turn up volume sideways using your volume button on your phone, and then you can restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart will fix your problem. Just hold your power button and then tap on the restart button right there to restart your phone. Once that is done, you can also check for updates on YouTube. For that, you can just go ahead and long press on YouTube, tap on the I button, then go over to storage. Now all you have to do is clear cache, scroll down, tap on app details in store, and then if you find an update button here, instead of open, you just need to go ahead and tap on the update button on YouTube. So just go ahead and tap on update if it's available here and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.